Hello everyone, my name is Marlene S. Gusala, BS Criminology. The topic that I will discuss is about number relation problems. So what is number relation problem? In number relation problem, you are given some clues about one or more numbers, and you use these clues to build an equation. Number relation problem does usually arise on an everyday basis, but they provide good introduction practicing the problem solving. So, here are the tips in problem solving. First, read the problem carefully and determine the condition given and the quantities asked for. Second, represent the unknown by a convenient variable, say x, when several related unknowns are involved. Express of them in terms of a single variable. Third, write an equation involving the known and unknowns. Fourth, solve the equation and determine the value of the other unknowns using root obtained when necessary. And lastly, check the results by using the original statement of the problem. What are consecutive integer problems? Consecutive integer problems are word problems that involve consecutive integers that follows in sequence. Each number bring one more than the previous number, represented by n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3, and so on, when n is any integer. For example, 12, 13, and 14. So, consecutive integer problems have two formula, the even number and the odd number. The formula for consecutive even numbers are 2n, 2n plus 2, 2n plus 4, 2n plus 6. For example, 12, 14, and 16. So, the formula for the odd numbers are 2n plus 1, 2n plus 3, 2n plus 5, 2n plus 7. For example, 17, 19, and 21. So, here are my example. Example number 1. The sum of three even numbers are 90. What are the three integers? So, the solution is the sum of three even numbers are 90. The formula for consecutive even numbers are 2n plus 2n plus 2 plus 2n plus 4 equals 90. So, bring down yung formula and then yung lahat ng 2n is ipa-plus natin which is magiging 6n. And then yung remaining na walang 2n which is ipa-plus natin which is 6. So, 6n plus 6 equals 90. So, bring down 6n equals 90 minus 6. Nagiging minus 6 siya equals because yung positive 6 is iti-transpose natin into a negative which is magiging negative 6. So, 6n equals 90 minus 6 equals 84. And then, yung 6n and yung 84, i-divide natin both side by 6 which is magiging n equals 84 divided by 6 equals 14. And then, i-copy ulit yung formula and then lahat ng n is papalitan natin ng 14 which is magiging 2 times 14 plus 2 times 14 plus 2 plus 2 times 14 plus 4 equals 90. So, 2 times 14 equals 28. 2 times 14 plus 2 equals 30. 2 times 14 plus 4 equals 32. Equals 90. So, yung 28, 30, and 32, yan yung hinahanap natin na 3 integers. Kapag i-add natin yung tatlong na yan is magiging ang sum niya is equals to 90. So, here are the example number 2. Find the three consecutive odd numbers whose sum is 87. What are the three integers? So, yung kanina, yung example 1 natin is even number. So, ngayon is odd number naman. Solution. Find the three consecutive odd numbers whose sum is 87. The formula for consecutive odd numbers are 2n plus 1 plus 2n plus 3 plus 2n plus 5 equals 87. So, same process pa rin sa first example which is yung lahat ng 2n is ipa-plus natin which is 6n. And then yung remaining naman na plus 1 plus 2 plus 5 equals 9. So, equals 87. So, magiging 6n plus 9 equals 87. So, 6n equals 87 minus 9. So, yung positive 9 kanina, ita-transpose naman natin into negative, which is magiging negative 9. So, bring down 6n equals 87 minus 9 equals 78. So, yung 6n and 78 ulit, i-divide natin in both side by 6. So, 6n divided by 6 equals n. So, bring down n. And then, 78 divided by 6 equals 13. So, yung answer natin is n equals 13. So, ulit, ikakopy natin yung formula and then lahat ng n is papalitan natin ng 13. Because yan yung, ang 13, ang value ng n is 13. So, magiging 2 times 13 plus 1 plus 2 times 13 plus 3 plus 2 times 13 plus 5 equals 87. So, 2 times 13 plus 1 equals 27. 2 times 13 plus 3 equals 29. 2 times 13 plus 5 equals 31. So, kapag ipa-plus natin yung tatlong na 27, 29, and 31 is ang sum niya is 87. So, yan yung hinahanap natin na 3 integers.